Hello guys, welcome to our channel. I am Pet Manager Juchan. Today we talk about most popular puppy top 5 in the world. First is the Pomeranian, second is the toy poodle, third is the Maltese, fourth is the Chihuahua, and fifth is the Bichon Frise. Now we talk about 5 breed puppy. First is the Pomeranian. Pomeranian have a lot of color. They have 20 colors. In general, white, cream, hearty, black, and black and tan, choco, bloomers. Compared to other breeds, they have a lot of hair and beautiful. Did you see the YouTube and Instagram? Then many people race to the Pomeranians. Second is the toy poodle. They are charming and cuteness. They have a look like teddy bear doll, so people love them. Toy poodle color has cream, white, red, silver, and black. But most popular color is cream and red because that look like teddy bear doll color. They grow up than 1.5 kilogram between 2.5 kilogram. They are so kind and they doesn't have hair loss. So baby and toy poodle together is so great. Third is Maltese. They are born in Italy, Malta Island. At first, they are big, but now they are small size. Their Instagram and YouTube come out always for Teacup puppy. They has only white color and hair loss is low. So I love Maltese. Fourth is Chihuahua. In the world, most small size is the Chihuahua. It's really small size, then we can see it for the internet. It registered in Guinness Book most smaller puppy. If you want small size puppy and look like doll face, I recommendation for the Chihuahua. So far, exploring puppy is the small size puppy. But now, exploring puppy is the medium size puppy. Bichon Frise is the medium size puppy and this hair is wavy and a lot. Now many Bichon Frise picture logo use the clothes. In medium size puppy, most popular is Bichon Frise. They are worldwide raised them and many people love them. Today I talk about for the most popular in the world for the puppy. What kind of puppy do you want to have? Tell me what puppy do you want to raise for comment. If then most like comment puppy, then I will explain. Thank you for watching and see you soon.